What on earth were you thinking? What on earth was going through your mind? Were you trying to mislead the court? Were you trying to conduct trial by publicity? And may remind you, prosecution panel, in the rules of the impeachment court promulgated by the Senate, the senators are themselves prohibited from making public statements on the merits of the case. How dare you make allegations about personal attacks concerning senator judges? Pare-pareho tayong nasa politika. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin dito. Nanggagaling yun sa inyo. Kaya huwag na kayong magpapaggapan-gapan dyan. Irespeto nyo ang impeachment court. Huwag kayong mga atake personal. Malapit na talaga akong mag-privilege speech dito tungkol sa sub-judice rule. Nagtatago kayo ha? Lumabas kayo dito. Entanglement with Mrs. Arroyo through her appointment of his wife to office. What are you thinking? Excessive entanglement is a term of art in constitutional law that is